I recommend two shortcuts that do not exist by default in Adobe InDesign, but can make your work more productive. So the first one is image place. If you place a lot of images, you want to make sure that we don't have to go through the process of going to the menu bar, select file, select place, and then find the file's location and place the image. So that's a nice keyboard shortcut. Again, as visual professionals, you regularly paste images. By creating this shortcut, you can get the image file with a single keyboard operation. The second one is what you may have used in this Illustrator before. It's called repeat transformation. This shortcut exists in Adobe Illustrator and also in InDesign, but in InDesign it's not there's no default keyboard shortcut. Again, this could be useful too when creating repeated operation, for example, creating an object with multiple that you have to create multiple times. So to create a custom keyboard shortcut, do the following. Go to Menu, Edit, and Keyboard Shortcuts, closer to the bottom of the pull-down menu. And I recommend that you create a new set first, because you have the default set. You can create your own set by navigating to the right side. You can say New Set. So if I create one here, you can name it. Okay. Say OK. So now you have a set, and you're going to change or add new keyboard shortcut. For image place, first you have to find the location of the operation that you want to set a keyboard shortcut to. So select Application menu. From the Application menu, select the location of this command, which is in File. Navigate down to Place. Select Place from the commands, and then navigate to it says New Shortcuts. Click on the area you can type the shortcut in, and I'm going to use Control P. Now, Control P is currently used for print, but we almost never directly print from InDesign because we use export to export PDF documents. So hold on the Control button, hit P. It will give you a warning, currently assigned. In my case, it's assigned to place because I'm already using that. Say Assign. Okay. And now this is assigned to this sample set. The other keyboard shortcut is the Repeat. That's located in the File menu. Go to Object menu. Go down until you to T. Transform again. So scroll down to Transform again, Transform again. And I like to use the default keyboard shortcut in Illustrator, which is Command D. Okay, again, it says you will get a warning if it's used. Assign, and you can save this set by clicking on the Save button. Say OK. And what I also recommend is that you save it as part of your work environment setting. So in this case, I will override what I already have. Say OK. And now you created a new, your work environment contains those keyboard shortcuts. So let's demonstrate how this works. Okay. So let's say I have a series of image frames I want to create here. And I do assign the image frame style to this one. And please note how I can take both of these. Let me turn on the WC there. I can take both of these, make a copy, and I can use the Control D to repeat the same operation. And I can use the Control P to come here and select images from this set. And I can just place these images inside here. So again, we learned two shortcuts. One is for image placement. One is repeating a transformation. And again, enjoy these shortcuts as you become more productive using this program.